is my little brother Pig. This is Pig. And this is Pig. Polly Parrot.
Peppa and her family are visiting Granny Pig and Grandpa Pig.
Pig, Pig, Granny Egg, Papa Egg.
Hello, my little ones. Come inside. We have a surprise. Come inside.
Granny Pig and Grandpa Pig have a pet parrot.
Peppa, George, this is our pet parrot. She's called Pretty.
Shut up, you retard.
Wow.
I am a clever parrot.
Go away, you fat pig.
Mummy, why does Polly copy everything that Granny says? Mummy, why does Polly copy everything that Granny says?
Hello, Polly.
Shut up.
What a sweet little parrot.
You pigs belong in a farm.
Come on, everyone. Tea time. Peppa, George, come on. There's chocolate cake.
Coming, Granny.
Peppa and George love eating chocolate cake. But today they are in a hurry to get back and play. Today they are in a hurry to get back and play. Today they are in a hurry to get back and play with Polly Parrot. Play with Polly Parrot.
Finished.
What noisy little ones you are.
Granny, please can we leave the table? Granny, please can we leave the table? Hooray! George, say something to Polly.
George is a little bit shy.
George.
Shut up and go to a farm where you belong, not in a house. You dirty pigs.
Peppa and George are really enjoying playing with Polly Parrot.
I'm Peppa Pig. I'm Peppa Pig. George, say something. George.
Peppa and George are pretending to be parrots.
I'm Polly Parrot.
Peppa is thinking of something else to say to Polly Parrot.
I'm a noisy parrot.
No, I'm not, you dirty pig.
Peppa, George, have you been playing?
Yes, Granny.
Is such a sweet parrot.
Yes, Granny.
I'm a clever parrot.
You belong in a farm, not a house, you dirty, retarded, idiotic fat pigs, and also I'm not your frickin' slave.
Oh my word!
Help, get me out of this place, please someone help, I hate these mentally retarded fat human pigs.